Nobody cares about your after movies? Don't worry, it's not a problem. You've clicked on exactly the right video for you. This is DirrectorsCut, and in this video I'll show you how to structure an after movie and how to include breathtaking edits in your video. All of that right after the intro. With an aftermovie, you have the perfect tool to capture the emotions of an event. After more than 8 years in the event industry, I tell you that I've become an expert in aftermovies and event filming. For your aftermovie to get attention, it needs to hit hard right from the beginning. Or as most club owners would say, it has to hit them in their face. In this example, I shot an aftermovie for DJ Olde, who played at a festival. At the beginning, I used various impressions from the event as a scroll stopper, condensed into 3 seconds with the rise up sound effects. Then it continues with Wise, a German DJ that is very famous, and DJ Olde, both speaking into the camera. That's the moment where I've hooked the audience.
Hey friends, wir sind heute beim Tropical Beach Festival und
heute knallt's so richtig.
After that, sound design is crucial to build tension. To keep the viewers engaged, I tried to incorporate stunning visuals, which I achieved well with the opening masked eye and the stage that builds itself. How do you do that? Basically, it's possible with any standard editing software where you can mask out something. Personally, I work with DaVinci Resolve. If you want a detailed tutorial on this topic, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, especially the detailed tutorial. It looks more complicated than it is. You match the different parts you want to animate and then reveal them using keyframes. Additionally, you choose a suitable new background and adjust its colors to match. Next, you add an epic party track and breathtaking slow motion shots. The artist to capture and record the right moments. Personally, I always try to discuss in advance when the highlights will happen and coordinate precisely with the artist about what they will do and when. Mostly it's about fire, sparkula effects and confetti. Of course, you should also have an eye for these moments, but you also can train it. It's not impossible. I try to include unique compositions in every video I make. Things you don't see in every video, no? Like the camera mounted on a confetti cannon. Fast cuts are also crucial to keep the audience from getting bored. I repeat myself here, the video needs to hit hard. Faces are, of course, great to capturing emotions. The crowd swings their hands from left to the right. Someone waves the DJ Olde flag. All simple shots that make the video dynamic and emotional. I also love working with smooth speed ramps. Personally, I am a fan of dynamic shots, especially in aftermovies. And voila, you have a modern, good-looking, emotional, cool aftermovie that hits different.
Hey friends, wir sind heute beim Tropical Beach Festival und
heute knallt's so richtig.
DJ Olde, aka #1 mixed music DJ in Germany.
Satisfaction. When I'm on the waiting time, hold I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
DJ Olde.
I mean, I should also mention that DJ Olde is a perfect artist for an aftermovie because he just behaves how he calls himself, the party animal. I mean, which artist puts a hat in the flamethrower on the stage? I hope you've learned something today for your aftermovies and that your future planning and editing will be easier for you. For detailed tutorials, Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you good making after movies.